Understanding Printmaking, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of printmaking. This art form has a rich history and involves creating images in a very unique way. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just curious, this video will shed light on what printmaking is all about. Printmaking is an art technique where the artist creates images, not by painting directly on paper, but by transferring the image from another surface, known as a matrix. This process allows for multiple copies, called prints, to be made. There are various types of printmaking, each offering different textures and visual effects. 1. Relief printing. In this method, the image is carved out of a surface like wood. The raised parts are inked and pressed onto paper. 2. Intaglio printing. Contrary to relief printing, intaglio involves cutting into the surface. The ink fills these cuts, and when pressed onto paper, the image is transferred. 3. Lithography. Here, the artist draws with a greasy substance on a flat stone or metal plate. The ink sticks to the greasy parts and is then transferred to paper. 4. Screen printing. In screen printing, a mesh is used to transfer ink onto paper, except in areas made impermeable to the ink by a blocking stencil. Printmaking is significant for several reasons. It democratized art by making it more accessible. Before digital printing, it was the primary way of reproducing texts and images for a wider audience. Printmaking also allows artists to experiment with different textures and effects, making each print unique in its own way. Some renowned printmakers include Albrecht Dürer, known for his woodcuts and engravings, and Katsushika Hokusai, famous for his woodblock prints like The Great Wave off Kanagawa. Their works are not just beautiful but also hold historical significance. I hope this video helps you understand the beautiful and intricate world of printmaking. It's an art form that combines creativity with technique, producing works that are both visually striking and historically important. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of art and language.